Fire in the hole! Let's make the world's most awesome steak sandwich. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I'm going to make the world's most amazing steak sandwich. And the basis of this is these little strip loin steaks that I got here. We're going to put them right on the direct fire, get some fire and smoke on them, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Those steaks are thin, they don't take long to cook. I'm going to get them off the fire and get my cast iron pan on there and get the rest of this going. So stay tuned. Got my cast iron pan on the fire. What we're going to do now is throw in some bacon. You didn't think we were going to go without bacon, did you? That's what we're doing today, some bacon. As soon as that pan gets hot. About, I think, about 5 strips of bacon. That's 2 strips right there. Or is it? No, this is thick cut bacon. Got one more. Need to get one more in there and get that cooked up. Bacon, one more strip. There we go. Okay, it don't matter if it's all messed up like that. It's just gonna go in a sandwich anyway. So let me get my bacon cooked up and get some of that bacon fat rendered down. Then I'll take you to the next step. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that bacon. Bacon, bacon. It's hypnotic, isn't it? It's almost puts you in a trance. Stay tuned. Okay, the bacon's cooked up. We're into that hot bacon fat. We're going to dump some onion, about a medium onion cut up. And I've got some of my root boy rub to season that up with. Root boy rub #1 right there. Some of my favorite stuff. Now we're going to cook these onions down. Don't that sound good? Onions, sizzling, and bacon fat. Okay? It's the only way you're going to make a decent sandwich is to have some bacon, bacon fat, and onions, and a whole bunch of other crap that I'm going to put in there. Let me get the onions caramelized up. Oh yeah, well, you should smell that. I could actually eat that right there with some bacon. Okay, I think that's all the cooking we have to do. And then we can assemble the sandwich and put the smash on it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Stay tuned. So I think we've assembled all of necessary components for the ultimate steak sandwich. What I got here is a loaf of Italian bread that I scooped out the bread from the inside. And we're going to get some of that steak that I cooked and lay it in there like this. If I can grab it. And won't that look good? Oh yeah, let's get this piece here. Whoops, threw a piece on the ground. Look at that. Okay, that's not going to fit like that. I want these to fit for a reason. To fit in my sandwich. Okay, what's next? Caramelized onions. What else? Caramelized onion layer on top of that. Don't that look good already? I mean, you could eat that just as it is, let's face it. Caramelized onions, oh baby. Okay, what's next? Next comes some Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese, let's get that over here. This is going to be the most awesome sandwich ever conceived. Okay, Swiss cheese, right there, right now. Right here, right now, Swiss cheese. Get that in there. You can't beat what my kids used to call this mouse cheese, because they would see the mouse on the cartoon eating this kind of cheese. So we got some Swiss cheese in there. Okay, what's next? Some salami. Salami. What kind of a steak sandwich doesn't have salami on it? So I don't have enough hands. Here, okay, here we go. Salami. A layer of salami. This is a very Italian sandwich, I gotta tell you, with salami in it. But I'm gonna make it even more Italian with some, well, not so Italian, but I've got some baby spinach here. We're gonna put a layer. This is for the Vegematics to shut up, okay? We got a layer of baby spinach we're gonna put in there. I hope this is recording. Okay, here's some baby spinach. That one's not such a baby, is it? And got to get some more of that in there. Baby spinach. Good stuff. I even like baby spinach, and I don't like veggies at all. Let's get some baby spinach in there. A little bit more. Enough to make a layer of baby spinach. Just so the Vegematics will shut up and say, you know, there's no veggies in it. Okay, so we got some baby spinach in there. And now we're going to go in with some, get my fork. Okay, we got some sun-dried tomatoes. Now that's Italian. Sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Going to drop them in there. These put this thing over the top right here. Sun-dried tomatoes in oil. What could be better? Look at that one. Oh yeah. I can't wait to dig into this thing and drink a beer. Oh man. Sun-dried tomatoes. What could be better? Let's get a layer of sun-dried tomatoes in there. Okay. I think that's enough, don't you? Maybe a couple more. Couple more. It's already an overstuffed sandwich, don't you think? Okay. Sun-dried tomatoes. What's next? What's next indeed? How about some bacon? What do you think about that? Maybe some bacon on there. Oh, you know what I forgot to put on there? I got some of this. Peter Luger's steak sauce. I'm just going to drop that on there right now before I forget. Could have put it on top, I guess. But I'm just going to drop some Peter Luger steak sauce in there. That's the best steak sauce you can get. Right there. Alright, the bacon. 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 Some more bacon. Some more bacon. A little bit of bacon. And some bacon. Okay. We're not done. We're not done by a long shot. We've got another steak to put on top of that. And another steak to go with that one. Another steak on top of that one. So we've got some more steak, and to offset the steak we need some Swiss cheese, right? Don't you think? Where's the one I opened? Over here. Okay, some Swiss cheese. You know what? Before I close that up, I want to put some of this Engelhofer cream style horseradish, because I really like this stuff. So we got that Peter Luger's on there. You could dress your sandwich up after you cook it, but I'm just going to put that in there like that. Cream style horseradish, that's good stuff. Then some more Swiss cheese on top of that. Mouse cheese. That's what my kids used to call it. They say, Dad, why are you eating mouse cheese? It's because it's good, that's why. Good stuff. Okay, now, here's the magic of this. We're going to put the top on it. Like that, and we're going to wrap this thing up in some aluminum foil, which I have sitting right here. Need a good bit of aluminum foil because we want to really wrap this thing up good in aluminum foil. I need to slide this over a little bit, get this on my foil. Oh man, this is the hard part about this sandwich. I'm going to tell you why. Because you want to just eat it right now, right? But you can't. Can't eat it yet. You got to finish it off. You're going to wrap it in aluminum foil. Wrap it up real good. And close up the ends like that. Now the sandwich is wrapped in foil. I'm going to take my frying pan. This is another frying pan. A clean, cool one. I'm going to lay it on there, and I might put another weight on there, maybe another pot or something. We got to press that thing down for about 30 minutes. Then after it's been sitting for 30 minutes with the weight on it, we'll put it on the grill and warm it back up. We'll get a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. My sandwich has been smooshed down underneath those frying pans for a while. We're just going to put it back on the grill to freshen it up just a little bit, and then we're going to get a piece of it and get a beer and take a taste, so stay tuned. Meine Damen und Herren, the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. You don't think it is? It is. Let me tell you why. And here's today's beer, Clown's Shoes Bubble Farm IPA. An amazing IPA, I'm sure, from Clown's Shoes Brewing Company. India Pale Ale, Bubble Farm IPA, 6.6 ABV. Not too bad. Let's pour some of this out and see how it looks, smells, and tastes. So let me tip my glass. It's a nice pale ale. There's no doubt about that. Clown's Shoes is an awesome brewing company. They've got the market cornered on beautiful can art. They've got the most beautiful art on their cans. Of course, that don't mean nothing. We got to taste the beer that's inside. Clown's Shoes Brewing Company Bubble Farm IPA. I'm not sure what that's a reference to. I know the Bubble Puppy. I don't know about the Bubble Farm. Let's take a sniff of it, Lassa. Where you been, Lassa? We've been missing you, baby. Man, that is an awesome IPA. That smells as good as any IPA I've ever smelled. Let's take a taste of it. Let's quaff the froth off it, Lassa. Excellent. That is an amazing IPA, I gotta tell you, from Clown's Shoes Brewing Company. Let me just move that a little bit that away. I like to take a thumbnail of these for Reddit and for Facebook. Clown's Shoes Bubble Farm IPA, very, very good. As good as any IPA I've ever had, right there. All right, enough screwing around with beer. Let's get my sandwich over here and get a taste of it. Stay tuned. My amazing steak sandwich is done. We're going to cut a piece of that off there. I don't know how I'm going to get it in my mouth, but I'm going to cut a piece right off the end here if I can. Probably should have got a serrated knife for this. Cut a piece of that right off the end. Oh boy. This one little piece is enough for anybody's lunch right there. Let's get a cross section of that for the internet. You know, they like their cross sections. How's that look? You really can't see that, can you? Let me take a little zoom on that there. Maybe change the angle a little bit. It's an amazing, look at that. Here, I'm going to show you the bite that I'm going to take. Here's that steak sandwich. It's got 2 layers of steak, salami, cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, baby spinach, Peter Luger steak sauce. It's just amazing. I can't wait to get a piece of this in my mouth. Let me do this. I'm going to try not to chew on camera. I don't know. Could that be the thumbnail or should I take it off there? How about that? That could be a good thumbnail. Let's do that. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's good. Hey, this is one amazing ass sandwich. Let me tell you what. Boy, that is amazing. Shut up, dog. I gotta tell you, that is an amazing sandwich. That's enough for lunch for about 2 more days. Maybe 3. Anyway, babies, that's my video. I hope you liked it. I'm sorry I wasted your 15 minutes. Please come back next week. We'll do it again. We'll waste another 15 minutes. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. This Clown's Shoes is awesome. Hey, you know what I say? I say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go see my boy Papa C, Corey. Corey's up there cooking up some cool stuff. Go check out Papa C, cooking and barbecue. You'll like what he's doing. If you don't like me, you'll like Papa C. Everybody likes Papa C. You know, even the people who don't like me. And I'm a poet and I don't know it. But that's my sandwich. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that an amazing sandwich? I'll tell you what. If you don't think that's the best sandwich ever, then I don't know. Show me a better one, okay? Show me a better sandwich. All right, babies. That's it for today. We'll see you next week. Bye.